Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching, subscribing. Appreciate the thumbs up. Been kind of thirsty for an old-fashioned lately, so I'm going to make one. Here's the recipe. This is 1803 type recipe, 43% ABV. I'm going to use Henry McKenna bonded 100 proof and a little bit of honey syrup instead of the usual sugar syrup. So let's get started. I use this glass Jack Daniels, but Tennessee. 3 Boker's bitters. 2 Henry McKennas. This is about 70 bucks a bottle these days. Keeps going up. Everything goes up. 2. Been ordering these in Las Vegas when we go. And 1/3 rich honey, 2 to 1. All right, I'm going to stir that up. About a minute on the stove. And a little orange peel. In the glass. Strain this in. And a couple of Luxardos speared. And there we have it. Or I'm going to have it exactly as it is. Old-fashioned 1803 type recipe with a little honey instead of demerara sugar. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. I'd appreciate it. And we will see you next time.